I apologize for revving the engine a lot.
No.
Yeah, I was going to say, the hearing in this, it deadens all the sound a lot.
Yeah.
I'm not used to this helmet yet.
A quick reminder, when you're on track, make sure you remove everything from your car. You don't want that stuff flying around while you're on the track. If you got a tech inspection, they probably check your fluids. When you get to the track, check your fluids again, check your tire pressures. You'll have to increase your tire pressures on track by a bit, so just check the specs of your car before you get on track.
What sort of sim racing do you do?
On the PlayStation, Gran Turismo.
Oh, good. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
So I have a small setup as a Thrustmaster, like it's
Yep.
a PlayStation 1. And
It's good. The more seat time you get, even if it's virtual, the
Yeah.
better.
Exactly.
Yep, we're good.
All those years on the PlayStation 3, 4, and 5, playing Gran Turismo, luckily I bought a sim and it translated to the track.
Tighter, get in tighter. And then track out. Small shuttle. Yep, good.
So this first lap was about 60% speed. I was pretty much in third gear along the entire track.
Yep, marshals. Yep.
Being behind the wheel with instructor-led laps
Kind of would translate to quicker lap times later on in the session. Pretty much every corner they're going to break it down for you as to how you should be entering and exiting to have the fastest possible racing line. right, that was my first full push lap. The car's performing well, a couple of weird noises, but I knew at the end of the day, it was my first track day and something would break. Sometimes you gotta expect that.
Nearing the end of the day, I knew I had a lap time target in mind, and at the end of the 40 laps, I knew my brakes would be screaming at me, but I still had the energy to keep going to try to push to hit that lap time. Luckily, I do a lot of the work myself, so I'll post a quick video after this on some of the repairs that I had to do.
Here I am heading back on track for the last session of the day. If you notice, there's a BMW 1 Series 135 parked in the paddock, and that was an instructor's car. So this gentleman walking over here, the racing guru for me, had a lot more knowledge about BMWs than I do. I'm a lot younger than him and a lot more inexperienced, so this guy gave me a lot of advice that helped me be a lot quicker.
Not tired of it yet, eh?
Yep.
What's the plan? End the day on the shiny side up?
Yes, please.
Okay.
All right, heading out, last few laps of the day. I wanted to see how fast I can go based off what I had learned. When I started the day, I was at about 2:14. My goal is to get as close to 2 minutes as possible. We'll see how close I can get.
Going too
On the
fast.
gas there, eh?
Yeah.
Not bad, eh? As close to 2 minutes as I could get. 2 minutes and 1 second. I mean, I was happy. I made about a 14-second improvement during the day, so for me, that was good enough.
Progress.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks again for watching. Always remember, everyone starts somewhere. In the next video, I'll show you what broke and how I repaired it for just $15 on Amazon.